Have you ever seen a tree that grows fruits directly on its trunk? Not from its branches, but straight out of the bark itself, in bunches that look like tiny grapes. Meet the cluster fig tree, scientifically known as Ficus racemosa, a masterpiece of evolution, medicine, and ecology. This is the science story of a tree that connects biology, culture, and life itself. Welcome to Sciverse, where we explore the science of the universe. The cluster fig belongs to the Moraceae family, the same family as the banyan and peepal trees. It's found across India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia, and locally, people call it Gular, Atti or Udumbara. It's a large deciduous tree, growing up to 20 meters tall, with a thick, rough trunk and a wide canopy. Now here's the fascinating part. The fruits, or figs, grow in clusters directly on the trunk and main branches. This rare adaptation is called cauliflory. In nature, there's always a reason for every feature. Cauliflory helps animals like bats, monkeys, and squirrels reach the fruits easily, even if they can't climb to the top. When these animals eat the figs, they spread the seeds, ensuring new trees grow far and wide. It's a perfect example of evolutionary teamwork. The plant gets its seeds dispersed, and animals get food in return. But what's really amazing is what's happening inside the fruit. What we call a fig fruit isn't just a fruit. It's actually a closed cluster of hundreds of tiny flowers, hidden inside a hollow structure. And inside every fig, there's a miniature world, a wasp's world. Each fig species has its own specific fig wasp species. The wasp enters the fig through a tiny opening called the ostiole, lays its eggs inside, and while doing so, pollinates the hidden flowers. After completing its life cycle, the wasp dies inside the fig, and a new generation continues the cycle. This relationship has existed for over 80 million years, one of the most ancient and perfect examples of coevolution. Neither can survive without the other. So next time you see a fig, remember, it's not just a fruit, it's a micro-ecosystem. Let's look deeper into the science and medicine behind this tree. Every part of Ficus racemosa is loaded with powerful bioactive compounds. It contains flavonoids and tannins that act as natural antioxidants. Saponins help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. And luteol, a compound found in the bark, has anti-inflammatory and even anti-cancer properties. That's why in Ayurveda, it's called Udumbara and is considered both sacred and healing. Traditional healers use the bark for diabetes and skin diseases, the fruits for ulcers and digestion, and the latex for cuts and wounds as a natural antiseptic. Modern research also supports many of these uses, showing that extracts of Ficus racemosa have anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, and wound healing effects. It's a perfect example of ancient wisdom meeting modern science.